Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Fadi Elena from class LS1203A. In this video, I will explain to you about what is differentiation. Differentiation is the subfield of calculus, and there are various applications of differentiation in this work. Differentiation plays an important part in math as it is used in many scientific fields. Differentiation can be defined as the process of finding the derivative of the function, and it also can be defined as a tool to study and calculate the rate of change of quantity with respect of change of other some quantities. Now, I have done explaining about what is differentiation. So, let's go through into the subtopic in this topic, which is related rates, analysis of functions, applied maximum and minimum problem, and lastly, lowest and the mean value theorem. Unfortunately, we will not be able to cover all of these topics, so we just want to explain only one of it, which is applied maximum and minimum problem, as how we can find the value and how you can apply it in your daily life. Many application problem in calculus involve the function for which you want to find the maximum or the minimum values. These values is associated with the largest and the smallest value in a function. Finding the maximum and the minimum value of a function has a practical significance because we can use this method to solve optimization problems such as maximizing the profit, minimizing the amount of material used in manufacturing an aluminum can, or finding the maximum height of a rocket carriage. So, by using differentiation, we can find the maximum and the minimum value for particular functions such as volume and area by using second derivative value. Now, I have done all of the basic introduction for this subtopic. So, I would like to pass it on to my friend who will be showing you the example of the problem statement and step by step on how you can solve the problem.
Hello Sophia, are you free? Hey, can you help me? Help me solve this problem. The question is, find the dimension of a rectangular field with maximum area that can be enclosed with 1,200 meters of fence. Alright, I will wait. Alright, thank you so much Sophia. Bye.
My name is Sophia MAT183 and I'm going to show you how to answer this question. First, we need to draw a proper figure to really represent this question. So, we draw a rectangular figure as it stated in the question, and then after we draw this question, we use a proper quantities. So, in this case, we use Y to represent the length and X to represent the width. After we draw a proper figure and then we label it with the quantities that involved, we need to find the formula that we need to maximize or minimize. In this case, because this question is already state the perimeter of this rectangular, we use the perimeter formula, which is 2y plus 2x is equal to 1,200. So after that, we need to make only one variable for this equation. You can use y or x, but in this case, we use y as the variable of this equation. So y is equal to 900 minus x. So next, with the value of y that we just obtained, we need to use it in this formula. Because area is x multiple y, so we use the value of y that we just obtained before. We just use it in this equation. So this equation is in term of x. So the answer is 900x minus x to the power of 2. In order to find the value of x, we need to use the derivative or a prime. So let a prime equal to 0. So 600 minus 2x. So where we get the 600 minus 2x, this 600 minus 2x, it is from the 600x minus x power of 2 that we just obtained before. So 600 minus 2x equal to 0. So x is equal to 300, but this is not the answer for minimum or maximum value. This is just the value of x. So how to get a minimum or maximum value? We need to derive again the x prime. We need to derive again this equation. So after we derive this, we will get it is equal to -2. Because it is negative, it is a maximum value, hence it is proven. If the answer is in negative, it is mean it's a maximum value. But if the answer is in positive, it means it is a maximum value.
Last but definitely not least, we need to validate the value for maximum and minimize value. So we use the formula that we just obtained in the earlier. So y is equal to 600 minus x. So we just use the value of x. So 600 minus 300, so we will get 300. So y is equal to 300. To make sure the answer that we get is correct, we use the formula of the perimeter, which is 2x plus 2y is equal to 1200. So 2 multiplied by 300 plus 2 multiplied by 300, we get 1200. Hence the value of x and y that we just obtained is correct.